Today I'm going to show you how to install and run Android apps on your Windows computer. Open your web browser. Go to your preferred search engine. Mine's duckduckgo.com. And type in Nox, N-O-X, player, P-L-A-Y-E-R, and press enter. Go to the first one. It should say Nox Player, fastest and smoothest Android emulator for PC and Mac. Click on download. Now open the download. To open it, go to File Explorer, which is the folder icon. Go to Downloads, and double-click on Nox Setup or right-click on it and select Open. If you get a pop-up, click Yes. Click Install. Click Reject. Click Start. Click on Login Now. Enter the email address associated with your Google Play account or your Google account, and then click Next. Enter your password and click Next. Now that you're logged in, you should be able to download any Play Store apps on your computer and run them through Nox Player. Once you find the app you want to install, click on Install to the right of it. Sign into your Google Play account again. Select Yes, It's Me on your phone if you have two-step verification set up. Select who will be using the device. You can select I will be using this device or my child will be using this device. Click Next. Click I agree. Click Accept. And then click Install. Now when you go back to the home page, you should have the app installed. I'm just going to show you guys that the app actually works. For those of you that aren't familiar with Duolingo, it's a language learning app. And as you can see, the app is now working on my computer. Nox Player is an Android emulator. If you don't know what that is, basically it gives you the capability of playing an Android app on your computer. That's how you install and run an Android app on your Windows computer. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you in my next video.